Hi, I'm a scientist and I've been studying disease mechanism and biomarker identification for multiple disorders. My team has worked with single cell RNA sequencing data for the last 2 years. And with these data sets, we are now unlocking a whole new layer of biological resolution. But the reality is that the data is massive and it's messy. Every experiment brings in thousands of genes across tens of thousands of cells. And making sense of all of this isn't just about the analysis, it's about collaboration. Biologists, data scientists, clinicians, and even regulatory teams. Everybody plays a role. And this analysis is not linear. We need to test ideas, explore, revise, and rework as needed. This requires iterations. And for a system to let us build on what we've already done, not just redo it. Even something as fundamental as cell type annotation is completely ad hoc and can require continuous back and forth before getting the final definitions right. And we need tools that let us do just that without having to start over every time. What we've been wishing for is a system or a platform that actually works the way we work. Something that understands that science is collaborative, that it's iterative, that our questions evolve, and that insights should scale. And honestly, something that can keep up with how complex our data and our questions have become.
Informed by the real needs of leading biopharma teams, DISTILL is built to stand apart, delivering 5 key capabilities that make a real difference from lab bench to clinical insights. First, it is collaborative by design. DISTILL connects biologists, data scientists, clinicians, and medical affairs professionals, breaking silos and enabling cohesive cross-functional discovery. Second, it's iterative and exploratory. Because science isn't linear, DISTILL lets you test ideas, explore leads, and revisit previous analysis without starting from scratch. Third, it is meta-study ready. DISTILL makes it easy to integrate and compare across studies and cohorts, so your insights don't stop at a single dataset. Fourth, DISTILL features next-generation LLM integration. Ask complex biological questions in plain language and receive literature-backed, annotated, and explainable responses within your workflow. And finally, it integrates into Agentic AI for translation, automating multifactorial analysis to help you prioritize targets and validate mechanisms of action using real-world multiomics data.
Because sometimes we don't just need another tool or software. We need something that helps us think better together.